taking down all these photos. I can't believe that. I can't believe this. Can't believe this. Ugh! But I'm just frustrated that she always mentions my grandma or grandpa. I don't want any memories of Flower in this house. I guess I'll watch My Hero Academia. It feels so weird to watch that without Flower. It feels so weird not to have her here. But why should I even care? She mentioned my grandpa, and I never want to hear anything about him. I guess I'll make some hot dogs. Or whatever. I'll make some Jell-O. Let's put this right here. Take a portion and let's eat some Jell-O cake. And if Flower's still here, I'm not even going to go anywhere. Because I don't really care where she is. Who's here?
Hello.
Oh, hi, Flower. What happened? Why are you back here?
I got in a fight with someone that let me live in their house. Well, it wasn't really a fight.
Okay, what did she do?
She got mad every time I said her grandpa's name because he died.
Well, I mean, like, she was probably just depressed, and she might not exactly mean it.
How's Sophia doing?
Oh, she's doing fine.
That's good.
What, do you miss her?
Yeah.
I mean, like, she might have just been really depressed, and she might have just, had to let her anger out.
Maybe.
I mean, like, what did she say to you before you moved out? Like, right before?
She said goodbye.
Well, she just might have been, like, she's probably just, wanted to get her anger out. I mean, like, have you and Marigold ever done this?
Sometimes.
Has Marigold ever let her anger out on you? Honey, I remember when I had to chase you all around town because you ran away.
Yeah.
You want to know what I did with the cookie?
Huh?
You want to know what I did with the cookie?
What?
I broke it. I threw it on the ground and broke it.
Yep.
Are you going to miss being there?
Yep.
Is that Marigold's house over there?
Oh, yeah.
Do you ever miss hanging out in there with Marigold?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Anyways, I think you should go back. Maybe Lonnie wants to apologize.
Hello.
Hi, Ma. I almost called you Mom, Flower. anyways, I think you should go back, and I know you locked the door, so I'm not even trying.
But the garage door is open.
No, it's not. You're gonna shut it on me before I can. I knew it. I ain't telling.
Did you break down my garage door?
I ain't telling. Also, it's my garage door, honey.
Since when did you own my house? I said, did you break down my garage door?
It's my garage door. I'm the parent around here.
I will throw this cat at you. Really, Mom?
You should go back home. Maybe Lonnie wants to apologize.
Give me back my egg.
Go home. Go back to Bloxburg. Maybe she wants to apologize.
Fine, I'll go back. But yeah, without me.
Here, take your axe. Take your axe. Take your axe.
Yeah. Hello?
Baby, I fly away. No, fly away.
Oh, that's right. I'll just take Mom.
Baby, I fly away. No, fly away.
Take those pepper out.
What in the world do you want?
Oh, so I guess you're still mad.
I'm mad at you because you moved out of here. I'm not mad about my grandpa anymore.
Yelling at me every single time I mention you know who.
I'm not mad about him anymore. I'm mad that you moved out.
I know that.
You do realize that I did nothing with your room, right? I guess I'll take a shower.
Since when did you put in a new bathroom? Oh, nope.
What are you doing? How can I save you? Oh!
Hello. Hello.
Is the floor not real or something?
I don't know.
I can walk on it.
I was using the bookcase.
Well, I'm gonna go use the toilet.
I want to see you.
Get out! I'm using the toilet! Now you can check out the new bathtub.
Stay right there. What's it?
Wait, Flower, go upstairs.
I'm sad.
Okay, so then since the upstairs bathroom is is occupied, I gotta use this one now. Are you gonna be done in there? You have to come out at some point.
You can make.
So you're just gonna stay in there? But why? What? You like the bathtub that much? much?
Yes.
I guess I'll just sit down here and chat with you while you're in there.
Yeah.
So, where did you go when you moved out?
Okay then.
You went home?
Yeah.
And so, how was it?
Okay.
Okay.
It was okay.
So, how's your mom and your little sister, Sophia?
Good. They're doing good.
That's good. What about Marigold? How's she doing?
I don't really know.
Well, yeah, since she's in Ohio, we won't really know what she's up to because you haven't really called her.
No.
Anyways, are you gonna get out of there or just stay in there?